Nadiri ato ang Assistant Regional Director, Sir Bagyo, Sir Mayong Buntag, ato ang Division Superintendent, si Ma'am Repamonte, Ma'am May Buntag, ang ato ang Assistant School Division Superintendent, Ma'am Caporedondo, Ma'am May Buntag, sa representante ni Governor Dorothy Gonzaga, Atenense sa Tabosa, May Buntag, sa the rest kaubanan sa Tubangan, mga teachers, coaches, sa ato ang future journalists, sa tibuok representante o nahimong delegado aning Division School Press Conference, mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Luya man, so mana, nakulbaan kay na may pay giigang o giigang yun? Igang no? O, pasensya lang yung kayo mo. Kay maor yung tao niya mong gym. Unta, sunod, pagbalik ninyo dinhi, aduna na ni kausapan mo na mo ang gym. First of all, let me extend my heartfelt thanks to each and everyone for coming to Monte Vista. I appreciate so much of your visit and holding the Division School Press Conference here in our humble town. And I hope that you enjoy your stay here, especially during this time of December as we celebrate our Diwanag Festival. Kinsa na may nakasuroy diri sa buong Diwanag Festival? Wala may nakasuroy? Wala pa? So, this is your first time yun ay makasuroy sa amoang Diwanag Festival. Ang Diwanag Festival atong niaging mga katuigan na dili pay ako'y amahan sa lungsod, nagabayad ng 20 pesos mosulod. Pero karon sugod 2022, libre ang mosulod sa Diwanag Festival. It is my great privilege to join you at this year's Division School Press Conference, a gathering of talent, persistence, and enduring influence of writing. Today, we are not only recognized the outstanding students, journalists from across our province, but also embrace the responsibility of nurturing a stronger, more united to the written and the broadcast medium. I would like to extend my appreciation to all school participating in this year's Division School Press Conference. Your active involvement certifies the collective commitment of our school to empowering our students and the youth in promoting a responsible journalism. Isip Mayor sa lungsod sa Monte Vista, buot na kong ipadayag ang ako ang dakong responsible journalist someday. Kay sayon na very ka-powerful yun karon ang mga journalism o kanang through social media, through writing, very, very powerful yun na karong panahon na. Maunang angyo na ko sa inyo ha, atong mga future yun na mga kapatanunan, be a responsible yun journalist someday. This year, team championing the matatag agenda of DepEd has changed drivers through